How to remove Powered by Shopify. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can remove Powered by Shopify from your Shopify store. So for this, what you are going to be doing is you are going to come to your Shopify, okay? And from here, you're going to go to your online store sales channel section. Now, once you're over here, you're going to come to your theme. And in your theme, besides customize, it's going to give you this option. So you're going to click on it and click on edit default theme content. So once you click on that, it's going to load you in to this section. Now, once you load onto this section, you're going to go into the filter items section and you're going to write powered, okay? And it's going to give you this links powered by Shopify. So what you're going to do over here is by default, it's going to say powered by Shopify. You can just add a space over here. And once you add a space, you can simply go ahead and save it. And that will remove powered by Shopify from your Shopify store footer. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.